Struggling with push-ups? Don't skip them, scale them. Incline push-ups using the box reduce the load but still activate your chest, tricep, and core. They're the smartest way to build strength safely and effectively. Let's get to it. First, get a box, bench, or a chair. Put your palms on it. Make sure your shoulders are directly over your palms. Squeeze your core, squeeze your butt. Create a one straight line. Now lower yourself until your chest touches the middle of your palms. Imagine there's a line between your palms. You drop your chest right down there. Get the full range of motion at the bottom. Bend your elbows 90 degrees or below. And then push yourself all the way up until you lock your elbows. That's a quality rep. We're looking for quality. Keep going. If you need to scale it, get a higher box. If you need to make it more challenging, get a lower box until you can do real push-ups on the floor. Good luck.